Hey everyone, I am excited to show you this new home that I will be listing here pretty soon. Actually, it's gonna be tonight. Hopefully this video will be out today on the Friday. So that way it'll be out on YouTube and then on Facebook and then all of the other platforms. But I am excited to share this new listing with you guys. It is in the Hidden Valley subdivision of Fair Oaks. We are off of 8044 Hidden View Circle. And I absolutely love what my clients Tina and Tim did with the place. Let's check it out. So they redid the entire interior. New painting, new baseboards, new lighting fixtures, new flooring, refrigerator, stainless steel appliance. It is great. And we had an amazing stager named Jamie. She came in and helped out a bunch. And it really ties in well together. This is 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, 1,588 square feet. And it comes with a hot tub too. So we just got done looking at the living room and dining room combination. Go closer right here. We also have a virtual tour of the home too. So there will be a link to which you can click in and then you can see every spot circular that you're sitting in. So if you're sitting right here, you can see every surrounding area, and even in here, living room, well, family room, and other rooms too. Man, I really like what they did. And then you've got plenty of natural light here. Enjoy some of the good moments. Vaulted ceilings as well. Amazing. You got your granite countertop, Peninsula Island. They redid the cabinets too, which look really, really good because I love two-tone cabinets. Gives it more flair. Large sink as well. New dishwasher. Got your nook area. Plenty of cabinets for storage. Stainless steel appliances. New Okay, let's go to the backyard. Plenty of trees planted out here for privacy. You also got a little table right here, give you a little bit of an idea of what you can do here. Good size yard. Love it. Very peaceful and quiet here. You got a hot tub here just for you. Love it. They're moving to Washington, so they couldn't take it with them. You got 2 areas over here, and they use this for pottery. They left one of them here, but the other side, you can use it for a dog run if you'd like. Man. And then you've got the concrete tile roof, so those last about 50 plus years. You see right there. And I love it. Now, people ask about burn days. Those, you can definitely look that up on Twitter with the Sacramento County and let you know what days are good to burn and then what days are restricted. So that's the primary bedroom. We'll come to that last. 2-tone cabinets as well. Love the counter. This is our first bathroom. New vanity, new tub, new backsplash, new light fixture. Everything is new. And new toilet too. Plus new flooring, new tile flooring. Really, really new. I love that they went all out with this. Just for the new owner. Got our first bedroom here with new carpet. We also got our fan up here as well. So which is crucial in the Sacramento area. Decent sized closet. Boom, boom. We got our second bedroom. Same thing, similar size as the last one we just seen. Good size closet as well. This is our third bedroom. And I left the whiteboard up here for you. This is close to the front of the house. Fan as well. Boom. Front of the house. Let's check out the garage. We're leaving the washer dryer here for you as well. Painted cabinets as well. And attic entrance right there. You've got a 3-car garage, so plenty of space for shelving, workshop, cars, all of that good jazz. Okay. So now we're gonna go to last and not least, the primary bedroom. And the good thing about Hidden Valley, and which subdivision what this home is located in, is that you are nestled into a very private area, but also close to plenty of shopping at the Fair Oaks Village, which is really, really nice with their theater and then the amazing restaurant called Shangri-La. You also have an amazing high school about less than 2 miles away, like 1.5 miles, called Bella Vista. Really highly rated. Good sized bedroom. Organized closet. New carpet, new paint. New lighting fixture. And in here, into the ensuite, our primary bathroom, we've got newer tiles in here, new vanity, new light fixture, new mirrors. Really, really great. New toilet in here as well. I like that it's a separate area for the bathroom and shower. Looking very good. And can you see me? That is it for our tour for this amazing home on 8044 Hidden View Circle. Please share this with anyone who is interested in living in a tucked away area in Fair Oaks, but still close to shopping and being assigned to a great school. Let me know what you thought about this in the comments. I love to hear about that, and I cannot wait to see you on the next one. Y'all enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.